Hi, we'll talk today about adding and subtracting rational expressions. To add or subtract expressions, we first find the common denominator and then use the following properties of fractions. The first property is if we have a over c plus p over c, that would equal to a plus p over c. This is the first property. The second property is if we have a over c minus b over c, that would equal to a minus p all over c. Let's see an example. So we want to simplify this expression here. So as you can notice, here we have x minus 1 and here we have x plus 2. So the denominators are not common, so we have to make them common first. So here we will have 3x minus 1 and we will multiply this fraction by x plus 2 over x plus 2 plus we'll have this fraction here x over x plus 2 and we will multiply it by this denominator here, which is x minus 1 over x minus 1. So let's do the math. So here we will have 3x plus 2, and when we multiply this by this, we will have x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 plus here for this part we will have x multiplied by x minus 1 over x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So as you can notice here, this is x minus 1, this is x minus 1, this is x plus 2, and this is x plus 2. So the denominators are common, so we can sum the two fractions. Let's see. So we will have here 3x plus 2 plus x minus 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so we can simplify the numerator here. So we can just rewrite it as we can just distribute this 3. So we'll have 3x plus 6 and we can distribute this x here. So we will have plus x to the power 2 minus x all over this denominator here. So it's x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. So as you can notice, so here we have x to the power 2. There is no x to the power 2. So we'll just write it as it is. Here we have 3x. Here we have minus x. So we'll have plus 2x. And here we have plus 6. So here we'll have plus 6. And we'll just write the denominator as it is, x plus 2. And this is the final solution. Let's see part P. So we want to simplify this expression here. So as you can notice, then we can expand this and we can expand this. So we'll have here 1 over, this is the difference of two squares. So we can just rewrite it as x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 2 over, this is x plus 1 squared, so we can just rewrite it as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. As you can notice here, this denominator and this denominator is different. So we can just make the denominators the same. So we'll have here 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 and we will multiply this fraction by, so as you can notice, we have to multiply by x plus 1, so we'll have x plus 1 over x plus 1 plus or minus, we have minus here, so we have here 2 over x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1, and we will multiply here by x minus 1 over x minus 1. Again, we are doing nothing here and here. We are just multiplying by 1. So let's see what we will have. So here, for this part here, we'll have x plus 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 squared, minus, here we will have 2 x minus 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 squared. So as you can notice here and here, the denominators are the same, so we can just use the second property. So we'll just take this part here, x plus 1 minus 2 x minus 1 over x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 squared. So as you can notice here, we can just expand or simplify this expression in the numerator. So we'll have x plus 1, and this minus 2 will distribute it here and here, so we'll have minus 2x plus 3, or plus 2, because we have minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, over the denominator, which is x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 squared. So let's see what we have here. So as you can notice, here we have x, here we have minus 2x, so we'll have minus x, and here we have plus 1, and here we have plus 2, so we'll have plus 3, and we'll just write the denominator as it is, x plus 1 squared. And as you can notice, we cannot simplify this further, so this is the final solution. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And goodbye.